Good morning, students. As you are studying English grammar, the name of the chapter subject verb agreement, in which you have studied many rules. You have known that what is verb concurred, that verb concurred means how a verb agrees with its subject according to number or person. In this chapter, I have taught you 6 rules. Now, I am going to tell you rule number 7. This is the rule number 7. Add subjects, the indefinite pronouns like either, somebody, nobody, each, neither, someone, nothing, everything, something, etc. always take singular verb. Students, these are indefinite pronouns. These words that are written here, either, somebody, nobody, each, neither, someone, etc. that are given, they are indefinite pronouns. If these indefinite pronouns are used as subjects, in that case singular verb is used. Now see the example. Either is good for you. Either means any of the two. Suppose anything is here, pen is there, book is there, or some other materials are there, and somebody is asking you which one is good for me. You are telling either is good for you. Means there are two things, any of them is good for you. Here either is a subject, so each singular verb has been used. Since either is indefinite pronoun, so according to this rule, indefinite pronoun either, if there is, it will be followed by singular verb. This singular verb is each. Now see the rule number 8. Another example of occupancy. Someone has taken my pen. Someone is indefinite pronoun, and if there will be indefinite pronoun someone, then singular verb should be used. Singular verb has there, have not been used. Now see rule number 8. The indefinite pronouns like both, few, many, several, and others take plural verb. Students, rule number 7 says that if all these indefinite pronouns are there, the singular verb will be used. And rule number 8 says that if these indefinite pronouns are there, both, few, many, several, and others, if these pronouns are used as a subject, then plural verb is followed. Plural verb is written. Now see example. Both have come. There were two candidates. Both means two. Two candidates were there. Two boys were there. Two girls were there. Whosoever there. And you are saying both have come. Both were related to indefinite pronoun, and it has been used here as a subject. So plural verb has been written. Has is not written here. According to rule number 8. Other example, few were absent. Were is plural verb, because it has been used according to subject few, that is indefinite pronoun. Now see the rule number 9. If the two subjects separated by and, if there are two subjects and they are separated by and, refer to the same person or thing, we use singular verb. If there are two subjects and these two subjects are indicating the same person or thing and they are joined by and, then we use singular verb. Now see how. Red beans and rice. There are two subjects. One is red beans, another is rice. And both these two subjects are joined by and. According to this rule, number 9, if two subjects are joined by and, we use singular verb is followed here. This singular verb is there, are has not been used. Now see rule number 10. For an amount of money, a period of time, a distance, we use singular verb. Wherever amount of money is there, for amount of money we are using, or a period of time, or a distance, wherever we are using, we use singular verb. Example, 100 years is a long distance, a long time. 100 years is a long time. Distance not time. If you say 50 kilometers is a long distance. 50 kilometers is a long distance. 50 kilometers if you are saying, if you read this sentence you will say, sir, it is wrong because 50 kilometers it seems it is plural, but it is a distance that you are using. 50 kilometers is a long distance. It is a distance that you are using. So singular verb will be followed. Now students, you have studied 10 rules based on subject verb concurred or verb agreement. Apart from these rules, some other rules are there, just like I am teaching you. Just like police word has come. Police, P-O-L-I-C. Suppose police word comes. Police is always plural. It is considered to be plural. I have told you news is always considered to be singular and it follow. It takes a singular verb. And here another word is police. If police is used there, police is always plural and it takes a plural verb. Like the police have come. Police has come not. Police have come. It is used as a plural subject. Apart from this, just like if any object has two parts, just like scissors, spectacles, trousers, such type of objects that have two parts and join into one, we use plural verb. Like my spectacles have broken. Has broken na? His scissors have broken. His trousers have torn. So in these sentences, trousers, scissors, spectacles, they are the objects that are joined. So plural verb has been used here. In this way, students, in this chapter I have taught you subject verb concurred, and I have told you verb concurred means verb agreement. How a verb agrees with its subject according to person or number. And also I have told you that singular verb agrees with singular subject, a plural verb agrees with plural subject. And other rules that I have told you, 10 rules are there that I have given you. You have to write in your notebook and you have to learn them. Further I will teach you next day. Thank you.